Ever wondered how to make your text stand out in Canva with neat, organized lists? Whether it's for a presentation, social media post, or infographic, listing your points clearly can make a huge difference. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, start by adding a text box to your design. You can do this by clicking the text option in the side panel and choosing either a heading, subheading, or body text. Once the box is on your canvas, type in all the content you want to list. Don't worry about formatting just yet. Focus on getting your points down. Next, highlight the text that you want to turn into a list. Look up to the top toolbar and you'll see a small icon that looks like horizontal lines with little bullet points. This is your list tool. Click it and Canva will instantly turn your selected text into a clean, organized list. You also have the option to choose between a bulleted list or a numbered list, depending on what suits your design best. Bullets are perfect for simple points, while numbers work well for step-by-step instructions or ranked items. You can even adjust the spacing, font, and color to match your overall design style. And just like that, your text is neatly organized, visually appealing, and ready to impress anyone who sees it. Using lists in Canva not only makes your content easier to read, but also adds a professional touch to your designs. Give it a try, experiment with different styles, and watch how much more impactful your content becomes. With just a few clicks, you can turn any block of text into a polished, readable list that grabs attention.